Well, I'm getting ready to make dinner and I'm looking over my recipe and I need brown sugar. I'm like, son of a gun, how do I not have brown sugar on hand? Okay, so I'm getting ready to make some up and I'm like, wait a minute here. I'm probably not the only one out there that has went to go make a recipe and you're short on an item. This is an item that's really, it's a pantry basic, a pantry staple that everybody should have if you do basic cooking and basic baking. But I don't have it. But I have the separate ingredients to make brown sugar. All it is sugar and molasses. That's it. You just kind of mix it up until you get the color that you like. And basically it's kind of the rule of thumb for the light brown sugar is 1 cup of sugar to about a tablespoon of molasses. Now if you like the darker molasses, I'd go about 1.5 tablespoons. But really it's that easy. You mix it up so you'll never have to go and buy brown sugar again. It's easy to make. So come on along and watch and see just exactly how easy this is to make. So easy, even a child can do it. So we have 1 cup of granulated sugar in here. I'm gonna take this and make a divot in here. Fill that much up with the brown sugar or the molasses. You could pour it in here and do it in here, but you're just gonna lose quite a bit of it. What I'm doing is kind of smashing this in so it kind of incorporates. Here you go, guys. Homemade brown sugar. Now, if this is too dark for you, all you have to do is add a little bit of sugar to that. You see how that lightens that up? There you go. Light brown sugar. All right, guys, so what'd you think of that? How easy was that to make? And now I've got brown sugar in my pantry. I'm gonna have it available for when I make cookies. This is what I'm gonna use or I'm gonna make so that I can have it on hand. All right, guys, so if you like these kind of things, make sure you subscribe so that when we put out a new video, you get notified of those. All right, keep those pantries stocked, you guys. This is important, especially in times like this. We've got bad weather. Who wants to just stop what you're doing to run to the grocery store for simple items? All right, keep on doing what you guys are doing. So until next time, bye-bye.